Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the sum of a finite geometric series. We'll explore the key components needed for this calculation, ensuring you understand each step. You'll learn to identify the first term, the common ratio, and the total number of terms in any given series. This method is incredibly useful for various mathematical and real-world applications, making complex sums straightforward to compute. Let's dive into the details and simplify this concept together. To calculate the sum, you first need to identify three crucial components. The first term, often represented as A, is simply the starting number of your series. Next, the common ratio, R, is found by dividing any term by the one before it. This value remains constant throughout the series. Finally, N represents the total count of terms in your finite series. Having these three pieces of information is fundamental before applying the sum formula. Now, let's put these components into the sum formula. The formula states that the sum, Sn, equals a times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to the power of n, all divided by the quantity of 1 minus r. Remember, this formula is valid only when your common ratio r is not equal to 1. Carefully substitute your determined values for a, r, and n into this equation, then perform the arithmetic to find your final sum. Let's walk through a quick example to solidify your understanding. Imagine a series starting with 2, then 4, 8, 16, and 32. Here, the first term is 2, the common ratio r is also 2, and there are 5 terms, so n is 5. Plugging these into our formula gives us a sum of 62. A helpful tip: always double-check your calculations, particularly when dealing with exponents and negative common ratios, to ensure accuracy in your final result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.